Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Now select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!